Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Yahoo customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up a web browser and then I'm going to head on over to help.yahoo.com. So if we go help.yahoo.com, so that's where you need to go to. So give that a few moments to load. All right, and we're back on this page here. So when we land on this page, you want to click on the contact us button, and also they got a chat box. So on the bottom right hand corner, this should appear. So go ahead and click on the chat box and then speak to their chat robot or whatever you want to call it, chat assistants here, and say you'd like to speak to customer support, and now redirect you to the right person to speak to. Or if you don't get that chat box, click on contact us, choose a product, sign in, and then continue. Click on get started to speak to Yahoo customer support.